How to add compressor effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Audacity and then import your file from here, and this is my file audio as you can see. Now let's see it. How to media. This is just a test audio. Now all what you have to do is select your audio by clicking double click and go to the top here, click on effect and go down. You will find, go down here, you will find compressor, and here you can manage it as you can see. Now let's preview. How to media. Then you can actually change a lot of things from here. How to media. You have many options: the ratio, the attack time, the release time. How to media. This is just a test, and also you can manage it from here if you want. After you finish, click OK and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful for you, I hope you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.